Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Quora on PC. Quora is a popular question and answer platform where people from all over the world ask questions, share knowledge and give detailed answers. Whether you want to learn something new, share expertise or build an online presence, Quora is a powerful and easy to use platform even for the beginners. And using Quora on PC gives you a better view of content, easier typing for the long answers and access to all the features in a clean layout. So in order to use it, first you need to sign up on your Quora, open any of the web browser you prefer. And after that, on the top there's an address bar. Type down Quora.com and enter it. Over here under this home page, you'll see this option for the sign up or login here. You can either continue with your Facebook, Google, or you can also continue with your email. Over here, I'm going to select the sign up with email here and simply type down your name and your email as well and select next. And over here, you need to confirm your email. Over here, simply type down the email confirmation here. And after that, select this next here and type down your password as well. And make sure your password is strong enough and select this I'm not a robot captcha over here. And simply select all the squares with the stairs. Select verify and select finish. And over here, once done, Quora will also ask you to select the topics you're interested in, like your movies, technology, books, etc. And over here, make sure you have to select at least 5 of the topics, and this helps personalize your feed as well. And go to this next over here. And the one last step would be the what languages you know. You can select any of the language over here. Over here, we just landed to the Quora official homepage. After signing up, you can understand the Quora home feed as well. You'll land on this home feed, and this is where you see the question related to your interest, answers from the users, posts from the people you follow. And at the top of the page, there's a navigation bar with important icons as well here. Under the top, we can find this home icon, and it takes back to your main feed anytime. And under this following here, this following shows the content from the topics and people you follow. And there's an answer icon as well. It displays all the questions waiting for the answers. You can contribute here as well. And beside it, there's a spaces. This is a community group where users share posts on the specific topics. And beside there's notifications bill. It shows like replies, follows, and updates as well. In the top right corner, we can find this profile icon here. This is your profile icon. It access to your profile settings, drafts, and logout option as well. In order to ask a question on the Quora, you need to select to this add a question in the top right corner over here. Over here, what you can do is you can add a question. You can also select the audience over here. You can select the public, or you can also select the limited audience from here as well. And over here, you can type down your question and add relevant topics, and this helps reach the audience as well. And select to this add a question in the bottom right. And you can also ask the original question, or you can also go to this use suggestions if you want to, as I'm going to select to this ask original questions here and select the view question over here. Over here, you just ask a question on the Quora. You can also be specific and clear, avoid vague or overly broad questions as well. In order to write an answer, answering is the core of the Quora. To answer a question, you need to click on a question. Over here, we can find this tons of questions, and you can also upvote or downvote. Over here in the top, we can find this answers here. Click onto this answer. And under this answer, what you can do is you can type your answer, format your bold, italic, bullet points as well by selecting to this answer here again. You can type down your answer and you can post it on the bottom right corner over here. And you can also add images or the link if you want to. And after you're done, you select to this done. And while writing an answer, you'll also find your formatting options. And over here in the bottom, we can find to this text formatting here. You can select for the toggle heading font, bold letters, italics. You can select the add ordered list as well. Under this bold here, it highlights the important text. Italic emphasizes the words. Bullet or numbered list organize the points. And link icon adds the clickable links, and image icon inserts the images. Over here for the adding link. And these tools help you make your answer more readable and more professional as well. Under this homepage, we can find to this upvote or downvote. Under this upvote here, it shows appreciation for a helpful answer. Downvote indicates the low quality or the incorrect content as well. You can also comment or share it as well. Under this comment, you can start discussions with other people, and you can share then the answers to others as well. The more upvotes your answer gets, the more visibility it gains as well. And under this spaces in the top here, this is the community feature. Spaces are like the mini communities inside the Quora. You can join spaces based on your interest, share posts or questions, interact with members, and this is useful if you want to grow your audience or follow specific topics deeply. And your profile and personal branding. You can click on your profile icon to access your profile in the top right here, and here you can add a profile picture by clicking onto this icon, and it will open to another tab here. You can select your profile as well by clicking onto this small brush icon here. By simply selecting the photo from your library, it will automatically put down on your profile as well. And over here, you can also write a description about yourself. You can write a bio. You can click onto the description here. You can write about yourself and you can update it over here. And over here on the right hand side, we can find this credentials and highlights. You can add an employment credential, add education credential, and add location credential if you want to. And you can list your expertise over here. You can see your answers, questions, and the post under your profile. A good profile builds credibility and attracts followers as well. And under this notifications at the top here, this bell icon shows the new followers, upvotes on your answers, replies to your comments. Staying active with notifications help engage more as well. And again, in the top right corner, we can find this profile icon. You can click onto this and go to the setting over here. And over here, you can also add another email address. You can change your password. You can also select the country of your residence as well. And over here, you can manage the notifications, edit account preferences as well. And over here on the top, you can find a search icon that says search Quora here. This is you'll see a search bar with magnifying glass icon. This is used to quickly find anything on Quora. What you can search for is you can type almost anything into the search bar. You can search for it over here. You can also add any questions if you want, and you can enter it here. You can also find the topics of your own niche, people's or profiles, expertise, writers, and spaces communities. And again, when you go to this account here, we can find this messages. This messages features on the Quora allows you to communicate privately with other users on the platform. And it is a simple but powerful tool that improves your overall experience and makes Quora more efficient for the long-term use as well. And under this drafts here, it allows you to save unfinished answers or the post so you can come out back to them later. This is extremely useful when you are writing a detailed answer but do not have time to complete it one setting. Instead of losing your progress, Quora automatically saved it as a draft. And over here, you can also change the language on the bottom. Quora supports multiple languages, making it accessible to the users around the world. You can change the language of interface and content from the setting menu by clicking onto this language here and select the language that you prefer over here by simply clicking onto this, and it will automatically set to the language that you have set it. Under here on the bottom, you can also find this dark mode. This theme mode, including dark mode, is a visual setting that changes how Quora looks on your screen. By clicking onto this here, you can select for the light, dark, or auto theme as well. This feature is not just about the experience, it also helps reduce eye strain and can be long reading session more comfortable. And the last thing is to log out on the Quora. The logout option is located right over here on this account, and you can click onto this logout over here. And this is especially important when using a shared or public computer, as it prevents others from accessing your account and personal information. When you click onto this logout, your session ends and you need to log in again to continue using your account. And while it may seem like a small feature, it plays a crucial role in maintaining your privacy and security. Always remember to log out if you are using somebody else's device on personal device, and you may choose to stay logged in for convenience. And that is it. Using Quora on PC becomes much easier once you understand all its features, including messages, bookmarks, drafts, language setting, and theme mode and logout. Each of the experience and designs is to improve your experience, whether it's saying useful content, communicating with others, or customizing the platform to your needs. Quora is more than just a question and answer site. It is a place to learn, share knowledge, and connect with people worldwide. By exploring all its features and using them effectively, you can make the most out of the platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.